In this video, I'm going to show you how to download OneNote for Windows 10. From the Start menu, navigate to the Microsoft Store by typing Store or Microsoft Store and clicking onto that. If you're not already signed in, you need to click into the Sign In button and go to Add Work or School Account. Don't worry if you don't see what I'm seeing here. As long as you can access this button, that's all that you need. So from here, I can select my school's account. If you're prompted to sign in using an address, please use your school's account there. So if prompted, click here to sign in with a different account and put in your LearnLink password. Okay. Now, you can see at the top here, I have got Department for Education South Australia. I can click onto that and I can see all the apps that I can download without needing admin rights on my computer. So I've already got it installed, but what you can do is click onto that and you should see an install button near where my cursor is, so over there. Now, if you do sign in and it says something about an error or you can't see this tab, just close it, go back into Store, and you should hopefully see it there. So you may not see anything else, you may only see that. Let me know how you go, and if you've got any issues, I can help you out.